left the screen door swinging with my canvas bag and keys, sand still in my sneakers from the last time by the sea. The corner store was waking with oranges in a crate. I bought one for the road and ate it as I walked away. Past the fences and the ponds, past the dogs behind the yards. You said meet me by the water, so I followed where you are. I got salt on my shoes,